We're here. It's a White Widow edition of this thing I do. Because it doesn't really have a name, does it? Not no more, motherfuckers. So, it's raining because, you know, it must rain every fucking day. I work. It's not like I only work 2 days a week. I work 5 days a week. And somehow, it rains all of those days. And it's a cold rain. It's so cold, man. It's funny when these people drive by. You got either card or you pay. Cough up $35, you cheap fucks. You live on Palmer Road. You want a concierge calling you to let you know your pizza's here, but you won't shell out the extra $35 to get the beep gimmick, so you don't have to stick your dopey hand out the window or look to me like, it's raining, and then waving the card at me. This is the festival. This is what I do. It's raining out. I see them in distress. Almost always a white person. I don't fuck over my brothers and sisters or Puerto Ricans. And they just look at you like, like this lady's about to do right now. And then this is the face I'm like this. And someone just waved at me like that. I'm just like this. Whatever, your pain doesn't mean anything to me. You're abusing your white privileges to the most 10th degree, Dorothy. I'm gonna let you know. People, what was this lady's name? This lady had the whitest name. What was her name? Oh my God, it was the whitest name. How do you work this? Jane Fay. How white is that? Jane. Oh, this is Jane Fay. It's called like 3 different times. And it's okay. My cousin's gonna be here at 5:30, and he usually does get here at 5:30. So, and I don't even think she said 5:30. I think she said like 5:20. And so, I'll just come downstairs. She wasn't old. She sounded like this. Oh, it's Fay Jane. And she called back, and she, who just let him in. Really, Fay Jane? Fuck Fay Jane. And your dopey cousin. Right? We don't fuck around here on Palmer Road. We don't fuck around.